Namaskara everyone, welcome to Beyond. Have you also spent hours together crafting a perfect plan, but somehow after 3 days you end up not following it? You are not alone. I have been there and I sometimes slip into that zone, but I have figured out how to get out of this loop. In the previous video, I've spoken about how to actually get started when you feel really overwhelmed and want to fix your life. So if you haven't checked it out, I've linked it for you. Go see it. And by the end of this video, you will have a routine with you that you can stick to and genuinely meet that dream life of what you've always desired. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, to get started, all you need is a notebook and a pen. If you're too lazy to get a notebook, any sheet works, something that you won't throw away. So, the first things first, you got to write down what really needs your attention. I told about this in the previous video as well. You got to prioritize, learn to prioritize. So, first thing is to write what do you want to fix? What is it? For me, I have personally written it as it's health and upskilling. Okay, right now your finances also needed attention, your relationships also needed, but you prioritize in the moment what is it, and you stick to it for a timeline of maybe a month or three. You got to choose that. And the next thing is to get extremely detailed about this. And what do I mean? You are saying, for example, I will be taking you through my list. You can do that correspondingly. Okay. I say it is health. What in health? Health is very broad to cover. So, what in health? I have to get specific about it. Upskilling. In what? And how do I measure my growth? I have to get specific with that. So, if you can see, for health, I have mentioned very specifically. I want to get consistent with strength training. I want to do more of yoga and weight management. You could specify the weight goal that you have. Get extremely detailed. And for your upskilling, maybe I have written, writing cleaner code or understanding technical documents. It could be anything for you. Now that you are much clearer than you started, you know what the pain is? It's to fit all of these priorities into your current routine that you have. If you are someone that has a really busy life, let's say you work a 9 to 5, you have family responsibilities, you're traveling, you're completely exhausted by the end of the day, sticking to a routine can become extremely painful. Don't worry, I have a solution for this, and that is as simple as not setting your mind for 2 hours of a goal. Let's say fitness is your goal. If I say I am going to strength train for 2 hours every day in a week, I will definitely quit after probably just 3 days. But instead, if I make a small change that, okay, every day I will try to spend just 10 minutes doing some form of strength training, I am much capable of sticking to that routine and it's much doable. Maybe I won't quit in 3 days, but who knows, maybe a month. But that is still a progress that I can measure. Okay, now that you have entered the 1 month zone of practicing your habits, and somehow your brain is convincing you to quit right now because even 5 minutes is exhausting, this is the pro tip, because you have to choose the exact time of the day where you can fit these new habits. Personally speaking, the best times would be as soon as you wake up and right before you're going to sleep. These are what I call the golden hours, because let's say fitness is one of your priorities, and as soon as you wake up, if you decide to probably do 5 push-ups and 10 squats, you are probably feeling proud that you did it. And let's say learning about finances or upskilling becomes your one more priority. Just taking my examples here, you could fit in yours accordingly. Right before I sleep, I make sure I spend 5 to 10 minutes reading a new topic about it. To build habits, you got to make it easier for yourself. Please do this favor. There's nothing called as an ideal routine. Somebody's routine might not be close to what you wish to have. So you got to choose for yourself. Now that we've learned quite something from the video and done a very useful exercise, let me quickly summarize it for you. First things first, pick your priority. Probably for the next 1 year, health is your priority, just stick to it. Upskilling is stick to it, don't neglect other parts of your life, but you know where the focus is, right? You better choose that. So you make one or two priorities, you put them in the list, and second step is to get extremely detailed about it. What is your goal associated with it? You need to be detailed in order to measure and be satisfied with it. And the third thing is to fit that into your current routine. Best times either as soon as you wake up or right before you sleep. And what if I told you that building a routine is not even the hardest part? Sticking to it when motivation fades and results are not coming through is extremely challenging, and that is something I'll be covering in my next video. Until then, if you are someone that is looking forward to learn more about personal growth and you are an absolute beginner or just overwhelmed with life and need another buddy who's working on herself to become a better version, I have so many videos up on the channel. You can go check it out. Until then, bye bye.